Edward here once again, CEO hindiTech Solutions, and today I've come back with a very quick tutorial still. I just want to walk you through how to use Google Drive. I just want to introduce Google Drive. I know so many videos have been made out there, but this is going to be a special one because I want to show you other tools, how you can use it on phone, how you can use it in the browsers, how you can use it on Mac and everywhere. But I just wanted to introduce the tool, so I'll be very quick at it, and I'll show you how it works very quickly. Then I'll be making small videos to break it down into different smaller videos in order to address the point very well. So you are going to see Google Drive. Okay, now I'm going to minimize here and open my browser. I just opened their landing page here. It's Google Drive, a place safe for all your files. Okay, when you come here, it says store any file, keep photos, stories, designs, drawings, recordings, videos. Your first 15 GB of storage are free with a Google account. When you get a Google account, you have 15 GB free of storage. If you connect it very well on your phone, like I'll show you in other videos to come, it automatically updates your photos onto the drive. Then let us go down a little bit and then see what they talk about it. See your stuff anywhere. Your files in Drive can be reached from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. Then share all files and folders. Once you upload something, you can choose to share it with your people, whether you give them full access, edit access, whatever. Now when you click on this button, you'll go to the Drive to log into the Drive. But take note, this page that I'm showing you is the normal Gmail. If you're using G Suite, each email is given 30 GB of space. Now this is a normal Gmail, edward@hindiTechSolutions.com at gmail.com. Okay, so for study purposes, I'm going to use my G Suite account, and we shall see how it works because I already have my sensitive files on my account. So I'm going to use the other one, which I don't have too much information. So for study purposes only. Okay, I'll click on these three dots here to go to incognito window. Okay, this other browser. Then I'll type drive.google.com. Okay, so once it opens, it normally detects the country that you are in, and it tries to put directly in that language. So basically this is an Arab world. I'm in UAE or Dubai, so it detects their language, but I can use this translation tool right here, or I can simply click on this button because it has Google Drive. Then once I go down here to this login screen, there is a small drop down here. When you click on it, you'll see language. Then select the language you want: English United States, English UK. Now on this login screen, I have to put in my email. So like I told you, I'm going to use edward@hindiTechSolutions.com. Okay, then next, then I'll input my password. Okay, I sign in. So when you sign in, just imagine, just know, whenever you have a Gmail account, you already have these things down here. You have a YouTube, you have a Google Plus, which is, I think they closed it now. You have Google Drive, you have YouTube channel, I said it already. You have a lot. I'll take you somewhere. If I just open here, if I click here, you see, you all have these tools. You can get your contacts, you can get Google. Actually, I'll also show you this contact. I'll make a video on the contacts. You can, all these tools here are free. They come with your account. Now this is Google Drive. You have Drive, My Drive, Share with Me, Recent, Start, Trash. Okay, I have 30 GB because this is a paid mail account. Now I can choose to organize my folders. You click on New here. Then we have new folder, new upload, new folder upload, docs, sheets. We shall see all these one and how they work. Forms and maps, drawings, Google Jamboard. But for now I just want folder. I click on folder and I name it Edward Files 1. Okay, I say create. Edward Files 1. I can even create another folder called Edward Files 2. Okay, right now let's say I want to put something in Edward File 1. I just double click on it to open it, then I go inside it. Second, I go inside it, then I'll just say new, sorry, not new folder. Click here, new file upload. Okay, click on file upload. It will tell you to select where the file is. I want to upload what? Let me take this photo. 1 second, who is this? No, let me take another photo. This one, then open. I'll open this one and then try to upload that one, right? So as I talk here, the file is uploaded. It is right here, uploaded. This is it. If you try to open it, this is the file. It is already uploaded. Okay, so I'll show you how to arrange files, how to delete files, how to organize files in other future videos. But allow me to end this video here because I want it to be short. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.